Clinical features of dynamic bowel obstruction, the first thing that you will notice. Now, because there will be repeated intensified peristalsis to overcome the obstruction, and because of that high intensified peristalsis, bowel wall is in spasm, but the peristalsis do not stop. So that spastic area of the bowel is repeatedly irritated. So hence, the patient is going to get colicky abdominal pain. It will be associated with colicky abdominal pain, right? That means there will be that spike with every wave of peristalsis. The intensity of the pain will increase, and that periodic increase in pain, or that shooting pain between two spikes, is what we call it as your colicky abdominal pain. It is your colicky abdominal pain. ठीक है? बेटा लार्ज बाउल में पेशेंट को रिलीफ इसलिए नहीं मिलेगा वॉमिटर्स के बाद क्योंकि लार्ज बाउल अभी भी प्रेशराइज्ड है. स्मॉल बाउल में वॉमिटिंग करने का प्रेशर इन द बाउल रिड्यूसेस एंड द पेन रिड्यूसेस. लार्ज बाउल में ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन, आई मीन इवन आफ्टर द पेशेंट वॉमिट्स, द प्रेशर डज नॉट गो डाउन बिकॉज इट इज इंटेंसिफाइड. ठीक है, तो लार्ज बाउल में पेन सस्टेन करेगा. Now, there is a colicky abdominal pain in a large bowel obstruction. It will be associated with nausea and vomiting. Because of back pressure, it will be associated with nausea and vomiting. Now, if the content cannot move forward, it cannot move backward also. Say, in the context whenever there is obstruction, all the content is able to move retrograde fashion, and that retrograde movement is called as nausea vomiting. And because there is obstruction, nothing can move forward also. If it is not able to move forward, देखो ना ही वो देखो क्योंकि obstruction present है तो content पीछे जाएगा. पीछे मतलब वापस ऊपर की तरफ को vomiting nausea बोलते हैं. ठीक है, आगे जा ही नहीं सकता, चाहे वो कुछ भी हो. Content that is your bowel content हो गया, gas हो गया, fluid हो गया, nothing can pass. So there will be non-passage. There will be non-passage of stools and flatus.